Pink, pink. Whoo-wee, it's snowing, huh, baby? Hey, everybody, welcome to Florence, Alabama. It's on February the 19th. It's a Wednesday, and we just had our part 2 of the mini blizzard. I'm still congested. It's a little, I think it's like 6:30 right now. I gotta go into work at 8 o'clock. We're down here at the river at Heritage. I'm right off of Veterans Drive, if you can see that sign right there. I brought Pink down for a little AM walk. And the factory is on a 2-hour delay because we got 2 inches of snow. That's the way it works in Alabama. 2 inches of snow. But look at how beautiful it is. I actually kind of like it. Ooh. Hey, good morning, everybody. Woo, boy, it's kind of chilly morning. There goes Pink. And we got a 2-hour delay for work this morning, so I'm going to upload this video when I get back to the house before I go in at 8 o'clock. And there's Pink. What do you think about it, baby? And what'd it do? Beautiful Tennessee River. There's the bridge, and man, you check out the way all the fresh snow is. It's just beautiful. I just love it. Pink, Pink, let's go for a walk, honey. Here comes Pinky, baby dad. Zoom. Room. Here we go, Dad. What are we gonna do? Huh, Dad? Are we gonna play in the snow? We're gonna play in the snow. We're Pinky, baby dad. See if I... Whoa! Some footprints over here. Guess I'm not the first one down here. Oh boy. Look at that railing. I don't know. Doesn't look like anybody used the railing. I just let Pink do what she wants. I'll go see the snowy river. Oh. Hoo-wee. It is chillo, man. So last week on Saturday night, we just had an F1 tornado, and it ripped through Tuscumbia, about 7 miles away. Now we wake up 6 days later. Well, not even that. Let's see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, 4 days later. And we have, a mini blizzard out here. Oh. Whew. Let's see how much snow is actually falling. I think I can tell here. Yep, about 2 inches. So, that would mean a 2-hour delay. What are you doing, Pink? There's a peek over the railing and all the evergreen. It'll make a great puzzle. Or like an album cover. And it's all so clean and pristine. I don't want to disturb it. I just love the way it looks, man. Oh. Everybody's moving slowly across the bridge. Isn't it great? Oh, I don't know what the temperature is, but it sure is cold. There's Pinky, baby dad. It's gonna get turned. just take it all in, man. Just enjoy the serene, beautiful, blizzardly environment. It's just great. All right, guys, peace and love, man. I think Pink and I are gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go find some more coffee and get dressed up, man, to go into work. I go put on some work clothes. But you guys ought to have a blessed day, man. It's pretty early, so I need more coffee. Make this happen on this cold, chilly morning. So let's go out with the Pinky Baby smile. You Pinky Baby Dad? There's Pinky Baby face, Dad. That'll warm me up every day. It's Pinky Baby Day. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Have a good day.